As you can tell, the bite has probably drastically changed since my last video. Here we are though. Before we do anything else, let's go ahead and get in here and get some baits going. Got a Monster Bass box. So in this month's Monster Bass box, we've got some Super K jig, Ned heads, B.F.E 4.5, best flipping bait ever, little flipping bait. Here we got some Ned rig baits. We're gonna pair these Super K jigs with those. Lunker Hunt / 12S. Oh yeah, I'm taking that down to the deeper area over there. We're gonna rip that around. This is gonna be probably the hardest one, but I've got a cool idea that I'm gonna try. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try to get on them with that. And then we got a vicious herky jerky here. I'm sure all these baits are gonna get bit today at some point. We'll see what we can do. So let's go ahead and get something tied on. We're in this shallower area now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this whoa, let's put that paper up so we don't sling it in the water there. All right, so like I was saying though, I'm gonna put this vicious fishing herky jerky on. I'm gonna start with that, and maybe we'll get ripped on in this shallower area. I'm really hoping we can catch some fish today, dude. All right, let's go ahead and get this jerk bait on. Jerk bait, jerk bait. I've still got my favorite jerk bait on right now, the old Strike King J300. Let's try again. It's been that long since I've been fishing, I can't even tie a Palomar knot, dude. What the hell? I'm telling you, man, it's been a little bit since I've been able to get out and fish, especially on the boat. I fished the banks a little bit. Let me tell you, folks, it was not a good look. I fished a kayak once or twice, and that wasn't good either. I'm so glad to be on the boat. Ooh, my fingers are already getting cold as shit, y'all. It's cold out. It's very cold this morning. What do we got here? Except for a bass? Yes, first fish of the day. Just please stay pinned. Oh, barely, oh shit, barely hooked. Whoa, oh my gosh, it wasn't even hooked in the friggin' mouth. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yes. First fish in so long, dude. Oh, look at that belly too. A little fatty. I have been needing this fish. Sorry for the sunlight. Got you guys standing right in the sun, or looking at the sun. Thank you so much, little guy. Oh, I needed that. Let's get him back in. Let's get a smooth release for this first fish of the day. First fish in who knows how long. Ooh, I didn't want him to splash me. It's cold. Yes, you guys. Let me wipe this lens off and stuff, and maybe we'll get on some more fish. That was the vicious fishing jerk bait. Nailed them. Gonna take that bait off, try another bait. One thing I wanted to mention about this, when I first hooked up, you guys might have heard me say something about I hooked up and I was kind of afraid that it was gonna pop off, and I was like, oh, please stay on. I don't know how these hooks are. Now that I'm looking at these hooks, I'm pretty sure these are like VMC or like some owner hooks or something, I don't know. They're pretty good hooks though. Let's try something else though. I've got a jerk bait I'm gonna go ahead and tie on. What do I do with that box? We'll put this one up, tie on a new jerk bait, and then try to do a little flipping over here. I wasn't gonna fish this dark area any more than I have to. I say dark, but I meant shaded. I wasn't gonna fish the shaded area anymore because it's kind of cold over here, and I wanted to get in some sun. I figured maybe that's what the fish might want to do, but first one came off of this area, so I don't want to leave it just yet. Pretty good looking bait, especially anytime the bite cools down. A lot of feather style baits just seem to do really well. Marabou jigs. So let's go ahead and rig up. All right, we can use this for flipping that B.F.E. So here we got the B.F.E. Probably just gonna rig this up on like a T-rig, something that I haven't thrown in ages now. Bam. All right, there we go. So I've got my T-rig, basically just a hook and a weight. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to get ripped on. Dude, I haven't fished a bait like this in so long. Oh, this thing looks good too. Best flipping bait ever. A little bit cold, folks. We're gonna have to get down to the end where the sun's at because I'm getting cold. I gotta soak up some sun. We'll come back to this area if we have to, but dude, I gotta get some warmth going. I'm freaking cold. Oh, there's a bite. Got it. Oh, it fucking let go. God, that was a deep fish. That was a good one, dude. God, that was a good fish too, dude. Just didn't really have it like I thought he did. It's been a long time since I've got on a fish in the deeps. Let's get one going, dude. There we go. All right, yes, B.F.E. Stroked it, dude. Look at that. Sweet. Good old B.F.E. fish. Fish I'm catching today are freaking tiny ones, but dude, I don't even care. I'm catching. This is the first time I've been on the water in, I don't even know how long, you guys. Let's get over here. Let's get back up in there. That's the second fish of the day, second bait. I'm gonna keep fishing this one for a sec. That actually completely restored my faith in the T-rig right there. I don't fish it much, so it's kind of cool to actually be able to come out and get a couple hits on this thing. Oh, wow. I think I just seen an amazing looking turtle, dude. I think I just got smacked too. Yep. Oh, he let it go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is actually my first time getting out on the jumbo with my hatches here. Now that I have hatches, man, look at that, bam. Got junk that I need in the left side, baits on the right side, soft plastics on the left side also, hard baits on the right. Making moves out here. I wonder how many fish are actually over here that I've missed. You know, just haven't hooked up on or whatever. Fish. Oh my God. They're picking it up and dropping it almost immediately. No more filling them out, dude. I'm gonna have to set the hook immediately. Second one I lost doing that. Rather set the hook the first time than fill them out and lose them. All right, that sucks. I'm actually flipping this around on a 15-pound mono. Pretty decent choice flipping. You know, in the wintertime, if you're not flipping around a lot of vegetation or thick cover and stuff. Damn. Hook the shit out of that grass. Or like smashing it and letting it go. They're not even holding it. Let's see if we can't fix that situation here. That's the third time I've got bitten that's let it go. That's just the bite. It's not the bait. It's just how they're biting right now. We can't get some juice on here. Maybe they'll hold on to it a little bit longer. Maybe they'll eat it and go, that's yummy. Yep, chartreuse my boat and everything. Hell yeah. I think what was happening is they're pretty much getting the tail and then letting it go. A lot of times you can use baits that will have a little bit shorter tail or something that's closer to the tip of the hook, the point of the hook, I mean. And a lot of times that'll fix your problem. All right, I probably smoked this area out as much as I've been flipping in here and trolling around. I can't be too mad now about that fish that I lost earlier. I was kind of pissed, I'm not gonna lie. That first fish I was dragging out in the deep. So I was thinking, dude, that's probably a better fish, and I just screwed that all up. Let's see if we can reset our hook on this and keep it going. It seems like ever since I put the truce on though, they don't want nothing to do with it. All right, what have we not fished? Or caught on, really? The Ned rig, the frog, and the deep jerk bait. Oh, I've got confidence in all those except for the frog. Let's see if we get a fish on right here. I thought there was something swimming, but I wasn't for sure, dude. Such a subtle bite. I didn't even feel it. Wow, dude. I figured there'd be a fish off of that, though. Almost had to be. At least I felt like there almost had to be. These are all just tiny fish. Look at those parasites in its tail, man. Can y'all see that? All those freaking parasites, dude. Gross. All right, one more cast with this over here, and then we're gonna have to switch bait so we can keep this slam going here. Got it. All right, this may very well be the best flipping bait ever, dude. Let's get this thing out of its mouth and get it going. Little guy, again. Another little fish. Hopefully we can put this jerk bait on and just get on some tankers, though. Can you guys believe I'm out here fishing a T-rig? I can't believe it either. I so badly keep wanting to pick a jig up, but dude, I'm gonna keep doing this challenge. Even at the end, I may just throw this after I get the challenge. You know, I say that like I'm just gonna nail these fish, but I'm hoping that I get this challenge complete, to be honest. Got one. Not a very big one. Biggest one that I've caught today, though. Right on the top of the lip. We're gonna have to get the net on this. This is a 4-pound test. I've been running it over trees, dude. I'm not taking a chance. It's not done. Come on. Yeah! Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. What you guys think about that? It's a solid one. Almost 2, maybe 110. Okay, let's see what this is gonna go for here. Zero it out. Let's get it on real quick. Okay, 113. That's not bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. The sun might be glaring it a little bit. 113. Not a bad one, y'all. Not a bad fish. Let's get a smooth one on this guy. Off the tree that we normally catch good ones from. Sick. First fish on the Ned bait. Rabbit baits. Get this one. Let's check my repair job here. Last night I kind of worked on this. I don't know if it's done drying and all that. We're just gonna go with it because I've got a stupid idea that I want to try this morning. Catching bass on frogs in the winter. Let's do it. First thing we need, I don't know if you guys can see that still. It's still on the scale though. 113. It's only 9 o'clock. I've been out here an hour and I've only got 2 baits left. Dude, I'm killing it. Little 3/8 ounce weight. We're gonna run her in this guy. I'm gonna have to cut our line. Now I'm gonna get this, like I said, it's probably a 3/8 ounce weight here. Get this put on, rig our frog on. We're gonna do something that probably not many people ever do. The T-rig is pretty much what gave me the idea to do this last night. So here we got our frog. As you can see, now it's just gonna sink straight down with the nose down. The braid is kind of keeping that on there, so I don't really have to peg it. Let's see if we can get on a fish with this. I am about to have to get off the water though. Had a whole lot of fun today, you guys, and I really appreciate you guys joining me and you know, peeping out this whole adventure. It was pretty cool. Got to fish some new baits. Found a new flipping bait that is just like the package suggests, the best flipping bait ever. Oh wait, maybe it's just B.F.E. Best flipping bait ever, not B.F.E. Let's get up on those sticks a little bit. I'm pretty sure now that the sun's out, it's been out for a little bit, there's gonna be some more fish over here. Loading this area up. Got him. Okay, that might be a little bit of a chunk there. Fighting kind of hard on me. Oh, okay. Barely hooked. Ooh, flip or die. Dude, what in the world? Number one, look at that hook set, dude. Oh my goodness. Tell me these dudes aren't freaking short striking, man. All right, let's get this guy out of here. Whew. Let's get a smooth one on him. Another good one. So dope, dude. Ready to raise hell on him. Give him hell. Pretty sure something's running it right now. It is. It's running it like a mug. Another good one, dude. Are you freaking serious, dude? I'm gonna bill dance the heck out of this one. Come on up, bud. Flip or die. This is absolutely insane, y'all. Almost every fish that I've hooked is just barely getting it right in the front of the mouth. Whoops, kind of missed there. There we go. It's not a super big one, but bigger than a lot of the other ones I was catching today. Let's get it off on this side, I guess. B.F.E, y'all. B.F.E, I'm telling you. I think I just found a new favorite bait. A bait that put me back on T-rigging. I mean, really, y'all. Freaking time is. It's probably time for me to go. I'm just like having too much fun here. Okay, folks. Well, I'm about to end the fishing session right here. I managed to catch a fish on every bait except for the saber toad and the lunker hunt jerkbait. I've got a feeling that jerkbait though, this winter I'm gonna get on something with that jerkbait. As far as the frog goes, that's probably gonna be a spring or summertime deal. Thanks for joining me on today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not gonna keep fishing this pond in every single one of my videos. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, Jam, why aren't you going and fishing anywhere else? I'm about this close to getting this boat registered. Huge shout out to everybody that's been showing some love. You know, showing love to the channel and stuff. New subs. Thanks for joining the Fish Catching Click. If you subscribed recently, I know things have been kind of slow, but they're gonna pick up, I promise. We're gonna get out and we're gonna wreck some fish. A lot of different spots next year. Probably on this whole John boat you see here. Let me try to fish a little bit more. Again, this is the first time I've got to fish in like a couple weeks now, so I'm not gonna say exactly what I wanted to say, but I'm having a lot of fun out here, dude. Let me get back at it, see if I can catch some more fish. Again, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out, y'all.